Hello, I'm Zachary. That right here. Okay. He's a nice boy. I know we both take showers today, and that's maybe not really. But we are gonna make a third. We're gonna make a third video. It will be coming out in a week, and then the fourth one will come out like a long time ago than the fifth one. Like, then we're done. We're just gonna make 5. We're gonna make updates first, but 5. Okay. I'll see you later. Bye, have a good week. Have a good weekend. I'll see you later.